Okay, so here is the best way on how to link WhatsApp to another device on your iPhone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, what you have to do is just you have to take your like alternative device that you want to link your WhatsApp, with your main device. So it's pretty simple. Let's say this is your alternative device first of all, okay? What you have to do is just go to your App Store and you simply need to download WhatsApp. So obviously that device won't have WhatsApp in it, but it's not loading right now. But what you have to do is just download WhatsApp, this specific app right over here. Once you download it up, it will just bring up this tab right over here once you open it up, and it will ask for verify and everything. Once you they will ask you to log in. But instead of verifying your phone number, you have to press on these three dots right over here, as you can see. Once you press on them, it will bring up this option which says link as companion device. So you just gotta press on this companion device, okay? Once you've done this, okay, now you gotta head over to your main device. Now this is your main device, okay? What you have to do is just simply go to WhatsApp on your main device where your WhatsApp is working, okay? And right over here, you gotta go to settings right over here, and you'll see the option of link devices on settings. Let's go ahead and press on link devices. And right over here, you'll see the option of link devices. So on your alternative phone, where you actually want to link your WhatsApp with, your main device, so it'll ask you to, link device, and the other device will be showing you a QR code. You just gotta go ahead and press on link device, and right over here, you will be able to see a QR code option. So just gotta take the phone to the QR code like this, and you just gotta scan it. Once you've scanned the QR code, it will directly use your this WhatsApp with like as companion devices, and you can just choose it like this, and yeah, you can basically link WhatsApp to another device. This is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.